Hey Peak Decor fam, welcome back. Today we're tackling the ultimate enemy of order, the garage abyss. But fear not, for we're armed with the ultimate weapon, garage cabinets and shelves. Whether it's overflowing tools, forgotten sports equipment, or a seasonal avalanche of decorations, garages become dumping grounds for life's clutter. But with the right storage solutions, we can transform these chaotic caverns into organized oases of efficiency. Garage cabinet, smackdown, build versus buy. So let's break down the two main garage cabinet contenders, building your own versus buying pre-made units. DIY garage cabinets. Pros: customization, tailor-made to fit your exact space and needs. Cost-effective, can be cheaper than pre-made options, especially if you have basic carpentry skills. Pride factor, the satisfaction of building it yourself. Cons: time commitment, requires planning, measuring, cutting, and assembling. Skill level, may not be for everyone, especially if you're not handy. Tool investment, might need to purchase additional tools or equipment. Pre-made garage cabinets. Pros: convenience, quick and easy to install, often with minimal tools. Variety, available in a wide range of styles, sizes, and materials. Durability, many pre-made cabinets are built to last with sturdy materials. Cons: cost, can be more expensive than DIY options. Customization, limited to the available sizes and styles. Less personal, doesn't have the same satisfaction as building your own. The verdict: the best choice for you depends on your budget, skill level, and desired level of customization. If you're handy and on a tight budget, DIY might be the way to go. But if you value time and convenience, pre-made cabinets are a great option. Garage storage hacks. Now, let's explore some garage storage hacks to maximize your space and keep things organized. Wall-mounted cabinets, free up floor space, and keep items out of reach of curious little hands or paws. Overhead storage racks, perfect for bulky items like ladders or kayaks. Pegboards and tool organizers, keep frequently used tools easily accessible. Sliding doors, save space compared to swinging doors, especially in tight garages. Pull-out drawers and shelves, utilize every inch of cabinet space and make finding things a breeze. Label everything. No more mystery boxes. Clearly label shelves and drawers for instant item identification. Garage cabinet installation tips. Whether you're building or buying, here are some garage cabinet installation tips. Plan your layout. Measure your space carefully and sketch out your cabinet placement. Level the ground. Ensure your cabinets have a sturdy and level foundation. Securely anchor to the wall. This is crucial for safety and stability. Follow instructions. Pre-made cabinets usually come with detailed assembly instructions. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're stuck, enlist a friend or professional for assistance. Garage inspiration. Need some garage inspiration? Check out these amazing before and after photos online or on our Peak Decor Pinterest board. You'll see how even the most cluttered garages can be transformed into functional and stylish spaces. Call to action. So, Peak Decor fam, are you ready to conquer your garage chaos? Share your garage organization tips and transformations in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more home decor hacks and inspiration.